This is Matt, and this is a video on how you will create a kids profile on Amazon Audible. So I'm logged into my Amazon Audible account through Amazon. You'll need to be logged in as well. Now, if you want to actually create a kids profile so that your kids can actually safely use Audible and you can create a profile just for them, you will come up to the top where it says hi. Mine currently says hi, Mister. For some reason, you'll see your Audible level right here, your membership level. I've got Audible Premium Plus currently. Now, to find the main settings, we will click on View Membership Details. And this gives us all of the main settings right here and where we'll find the profiles. So partway down in this sidebar right here, you'll see Profiles. We click on Profiles. And now the main option we have right here is create a kids profile. So the share only the titles that you choose is the option here, so you can safely give this to your child, and you can obviously sort of curate what they actually see right here. So there's a notice here, privacy notice from Amazon. You can click if you want more information, but we will click this plus icon. Now we have this create a kids profile, and share kid-friendly titles of your choosing. Share titles right from your library. Kids can only see and listen to the stories that you've shared with them. So we can click not now. Again, there's the privacy policy option, and we're going to click on create a kids profile. And just like that, we have this kids profile right here. And there's a whole bit of information about how to actually share stories to your kids. So once that has been created, they'll be able to log into their own account and they'll be able to have just the books that you allow them to see. So hopefully you found this video on how to create a kids profile on Amazon Audible useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.